Let's talk about staggered pipe stacks. It's an interesting concept. Pause and go through the question first. Give it a try and then proceed. So we have a box of 16 units by 20 units and this length is 20 units. And we have to place pipes of diameter 20 units in it. So this length is 20 and we can place 10 such pipes here. Right? We can put 10 pipes here of diameter 2 units each. Then we can put 10 above it. Then 10 more like this. And this side's length is 16. So there can be 8 pipes placed on this side. So there will be 8 such rows and 10 columns. In total 8 into 10, 80 pipes can be placed here. Now this layout or this way of stacking pipes one over another is called non-staggered pattern. Then there is one more way to arrange pipes called as staggered pattern, in which in the first row we will place 10 pipes as we did in this first case. We will put 10 pipes here. Now instead of putting a pipe above this pipe, we will put it in between this first and second pipe. Okay, here. And like this, in this second row we can put 9 pipes. Then again in the third row we will have 10 pipes. In fourth row we will have 9 pipes again, and so on. Now in this non-staggered pattern we could put 80 pipes, right? And in this staggered pattern, if you go about counting it, there are total of 86 pipes that we have placed, and this is the maximum number of pipes which we can fit in. Now let's see how to calculate this without actually counting. Focus on these 3 pipes. We have taken 2 layers of pipes here, okay? And we will be measuring height of these 2 layers. That would be R, this is radius R only, from the center to the top, and from this center to bottom we have again R, and this distance between the centers. This could be found by joining the centers and forming an equilateral triangle of side 2R, R plus R, 2R. From here to the center is R again, and in this right triangle, this perpendicular can be found by Pythagoras theorem, 4R square minus R square, that is 3R square, root of which is root 3R. So this is root 3R. So height of 2 layers H2 comes out to be R plus root 3R plus R. Next we will focus on 3 layers of pipes. We will focus on 6 pipes. And we have to calculate height of 3 layers of pipe. That would be R plus this R from this center to the bottom. And this distance between centers of 2 layers will again be root 3R. Right? We can form an equilateral triangle by joining these centers. And here also we can form an equilateral triangle and we will get root 3R. So H3, height of 3 layers of pipe, will be R plus 2 root 3R plus R again. Similarly, H4, when 4 layers of pipes are placed, H4 will come out to be R plus root 3R plus root 3R plus root 3R plus R. H4 is what? R plus 3 root 3R plus R. So in general, we can say Hn is equal to R plus n minus 1 root 3R plus R. Now coming back to the question, height is given to us as 16 units and radius is 1. Diameter is given as 2 units, that means radius of each pipe is 1 unit. We can put these values in the formula and it will give us 16 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into root 3 into 1 plus 1. N will come out to be 14 upon root 3 plus 1, that will be approximately 8 plus 1, 9. So in total there will be 9 rows And if we start with a row of 10 pipes, let me come back to the question. If we start with this row of 10 pipes, so first row will be of 10 pipes, then a row of 9 pipes, then a row of 10 pipes. Like this, alternate rows will be of 10 pipes and 9 pipes respectively. So in total there are 9 rows. So total rows of 10 pipes will be 5, and in total there will be 4 rows of 9 pipes. This will give 50 plus 36, that is 86 pipes in total as the final answer. So this is how staggered pattern saves space by accommodating more pipes. Thank you.